Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to download Envato video templates for free. We have the link to Envato in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. So every month Envato picks 12 files that are available to download for free per month. We'll be providing the link to that so you can check monthly and see what's available for use. Usually you can expect to see a couple of video templates for free. So once you follow the link which we'll be providing for this, you get to this page. On this page you see some assets right here. You can see stock video, you can see some add-ons, and as you're scrolling through you can see some templates. There are graphic templates, but we're looking for video templates, and this is a good example. We can click on it, and right here you can see liquid shapes, and it says right here, customize your hero banner by editing text, adjusting layout, and incorporating fluid abstract shapes for a modern and engaging design. You can also see right here that it's available for free, so you can click on it. And right here you get to click on the checkbox. This also confirms here that this item is free and available to use only once for a single project. I'm going to go ahead and click on download, and right there we have the liquid glass template ready to be used. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to download Envato video templates for free. Don't forget to check out the link to Envato elements in the description below so you can have a head start after this video. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.